Hey guys, welcome to yet another DIY video, and today we are going to make wall art. So this is a very simple and easy video. You only need some boxes, you need a piece of fabric of your choice, you need scissors, and then you need glue. So with those ones you are going to be able to make any art that you want, and you can also choose the kind of shapes that you want. But for this project we are going to go with circles. So I hope that you will enjoy this video. Stick around to the end, and thank you so much for coming to support me. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and if you are new, leave a comment so that I can be able to get back to you. Thank you so much. I leave you with some music.